now we are going to order food from the vending machine. So far only the food items we used to get from the vending machine, but first time we are going to see how this vending machine is going to make the food. For this we are going to select the menu. So these three items: menu of the day, seafood for fun, vegetarian rice noodles, chicken korma with tomato rice. I'm going to select that, and the price is 7 Singaporean dollars. Okay, so it consists of chicken, onion, coconut milk, cashew nut, tomato, basmati rice, spices. So I want hot. Confirm the delivery. Yes, we have to confirm the delivery. Okay, so credit and interest, waiting for credit. So I think we have to insert. Yeah, this is 5 Singaporean dollars. So I'm going to insert 5 Singaporean dollars. So it has taken 5 Singaporean dollars. Communication error. Oh, why? Do we need to pay 2 more? It's not taking. So initially it's going to deliver the cutlery box. So we are collecting the cutlery box. So I have collected the cutlery. Let us see. I think it has given a wooden spatula. Sorry, wooden spoon and fork. Oh, it has given a plastic spoon and fork. Okay, tissue paper. I think we have to wait for. I think it's showing time.
Second.
It's getting heating up. It's going to take 130 seconds. So we have to pay the remaining amount in the last. So we have paid 5 Singaporean dollars.
34 seconds left.
31, 30, 29.
किधर से आता हो? यहाँ आता होगा नहीं?
Yeah.
We have to collect from here.
Meals is getting ready, but the aroma of the meals is awesome.
Amo.
I can't describe.
Hey,
Even
Babu.
my tummy is getting filled with the aroma of the meal. अरे इसे दो देना है, बेहतर नहीं तो नहीं.
पीछे आओ. ये आ गया.
Oh.
तो इसका. कितना जरा 500 है.
This is 5 Singaporean dollars. 5 into 3, 450. It is somewhere around 450 rupees.
Tomato.
Is it delicious? Tasmin, you have to tell, is it delicious or not?
बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म है.
How is it, Tasmin? Wow,
आदरा मैं तेरे कुछ खिलाने जा रही
delicious.
My God, please, please, please.
गिरते रुको तुम.